Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Scenes. Well, we're here to unbox Boris.
Welcome lovelies. Exciting, funky, well priced, great designs, made in Holland.
Yeah, beautiful.
Beautiful
Funky,
collection. Funky.
Yeah.
So yeah, and we can't wait to show you, share it with you.
Yeah. So ladies, we want to thank everybody for the overwhelming response yesterday
Yes.
for our list bead that we've released. We're so thrilled. So you can purchase the bead on its own or as a set necklace that we have curated together for you. So that was wonderful. And the little video from Ziska was wonderful.
Yes, what a nice surprise that was.
I know,
Yeah.
I know. And here we are unboxing a Dutch label as well. And some of our favorite dresses that Boris has in their repertoire.
Yeah, oh,
and
for sure.
But speaking of beautiful dresses, how
Tessa.
beautiful are these dresses?
What are you wearing?
I know. Well, this is the cowl neck one, ladies.
From Chris's?
Yes. And I've paired it over with our boxy top.
I love the color.
I know. Navy, midnight.
Oh, it's beautiful.
It's gorgeous. And then see the collars just popping through here.
And what is the sleeve?
And it's just a cap sleeve. Yeah,
Beautiful.
We'll show you a picture, ladies, of the dress. I just wanted to show, I've been wearing this boxy top a lot. Yeah, I love my black, and it's the only one in the boutique at the moment. But I just want to show you how versatile these pieces are.
Yeah.
And how this is a beautiful silk linen fabric, and you think party, wedding, but you can also just wear it,
Exactly.
you know, very casual too.
Yeah.
And then with my bleu fleuret tights,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
and charcoal,
beautiful.
I think it kind of melts it all together. And then majestic, a beauty. I have it on the longest drop possible.
A Siska?
Yeah.
Oh, almost the same color as the...
I know.
That is amazing. But look at your nails, how nice that is with the, with the
on
navy.
the navy. Fuchsia navy.
So pretty.
Well,
pretty,
the other
pretty.
dress, you were away when we unboxed these,
Yeah.
ruby, but the other color is fuchsia of this dress.
Really?
I'll show you a picture here, ladies, because it's a
Wow.
stunner if you missed that video last week.
This was in that unboxing too.
Yeah.
Because I've never seen this.
I know, and I knew you'd be so drawn to it because of the orange.
Totally.
Gorgeous. So I love this, Mom.
Pretty, eh?
Yeah, so she has a cream cordon, ladies, from Bliss, and then this is the copper, and then the orange, yeah, and then this is the organic in white, which makes it interesting because it's got like the swirl in it.
Yeah.
And then beautiful orange earrings from Ziska.
Approve?
Yeah, love it.
Love it. And this jacket.
Isn't it, darling?
This is the most darling jacket.
I know, just the one button.
One button, these
nice
beautiful
little-
little slit pockets.
Yeah.
Nice little collar, of course.
Yeah.
And then this pattern. Oh
I know.
my.
I know.
It
Charlie's
is
keeps kicking me.
exquisite.
He's so mad at me. I'm like, well, you're not giving me any space, sweetie. He's like, he kept kicking me.
Oh my God, it's getting so funny.
Sorry,
in his old
it is.
age.
So we call it the sea life, I believe, and it's gorgeous.
Yeah, that's what it is, an octopus.
Oh, yeah.
Yum, yum.
Yum, yum. Oh my God, too much.
Okay.
All right, ladies, so we are going to unbox this beautiful collection for you today, and then we have some curated pieces here that we're going to style up for you tomorrow, so watch out for that.
Let's start.
Let's start. So I'm going to start with this is new for us.
Yes.
This is a beautiful one size cardigan, and it's got quite a nice
Quite a swing.
to it.
Yes.
It's gorgeous with
Gorgeous.
the holes.
Yeah.
And so that will be really fun on. I mean, that's endless in your wardrobe, right? You
Yeah.
can put that over
Beautiful.
anything, really. And even a
Anything.
tank and jeans.
Oh,
It would
yeah.
be wonderful.
Little white t-shirt. So cute.
Yeah, it's 100% cotton. So
Breathable.
And that's a free size. So it should be fitting 2-4 to 16-18.
Oh, yeah.
Boris is very inclusive of sizes. Beautiful. Especially their dresses. You're like,
Yeah.
hurry.
Yeah, I can't
She's like
wait.
chomping at the bit here. But this is one of our favorite dresses that we've brought back.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Gorgeous.
love. The neckline, the arms, it's
Yeah,
a
it fits
beautiful
wonderful.
fit.
So it's coming in extra small to XXX, and it fits gorgeous.
You feel
on
like
all
dancing
sizes.
when you wear that dress. You feel like dancing.
Yeah, and it looks like a lot, but it's not heavy or anything.
No.
It's so wonderful on. I can't wait to style them up. So we did it also in black.
Right.
Gorgeous black.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh, look at that.
I know. It's so wonderful.
It's great.
Can't wait to show you ladies.
Yeah.
And then we did the ladder
Yeah.
wraps again. One of our all-time faves
Yeah.
from Boris. But this is...
This is the cat's meow. This
Yeah.
is the clue to the whole story. It's the ladder, and when you wear something underneath, it peeks through.
Yeah.
And it's so versatile, this top.
Yeah.
Eh?
And on the back as well, and then on both sides there, you have those little slits.
In essence, it's a wrap, right? But you can also wear it anyway. We will style it off for you.
Yeah, you can wear it wrapped up,
wrapped up
or open
just hanging.
with the little ties. That's our favorite, really.
And then the beauty is you can wear it with the striped dress or with the black dress.
Yeah. Yes, so beautiful. Mix and match with that dress. Perfect over, right? For an arm cover, the wrap.
Oh, for sure.
And then we also, of course, did it in black in the ladder wrap. So
No
there you go.
brainer.
No brainer, right? And that's going to be gorgeous over the stripe.
Yeah.
I love that. Or just plain black, but the stripe, it really, you'll see it really adds, it's such a cool, funky outfit.
It's a cool combo.
And then we've done a polka dot wrap as well. This one's a little bit different. It doesn't have the ladders. It has a band at the back.
Oh yeah, right.
Yeah, and then the tie.
Yeah.
So again, you can wrap this or have it tied open and over the plain black, which is beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. You have this, don't you?
I have the polka dot, yeah.
Polka dot, yeah.
And like I said, it never leaves my closet. All season type of thing, right?
Yeah, especially traveling ladies. I love these at night when you're going to the restaurant and you got that, you're just a little chilled from the sun all day and you want that cover. It's cotton, it's natural, it breathes.
It's not more hot.
Over your sun-kissed shoulders. It's like, I'm telling you, it's the perfect top. So
you're getting lyrical.
I know, well, it's true. We're so passionate about these items that we carry in the boutique because we love them ourselves.
Out of experience.
So we love bringing you ladies these amazing pieces that we just think are the bomb. The bomb. So here is the polka dot in the dress.
Another bomb, lovelies. Look at this. Oh my,
I know. We have two style dresses. So this is the second one.
Yeah. This is the one with all the pointies.
Corners, yeah.
So cute.
So cute.
Darling.
Darling. So again, ladder wrap in black over or monochromatic polka dot. And their fabrics, these are their signature fabrics, these stripes and polka dots.
Yeah.
So there it is in the stripe.
Beautiful.
Yeah. And wait till you see it on. Well, you see it on the mannequin here, but when we have it on tomorrow, it's going to be amazing.
Oh yeah,
okay?
I can't wait.
I know.
We're going to have so much fun.
And then we couldn't do without black.
Of course not.
So all those three colors in that one, beautiful. And then super fun, a little surprise for you, Mama Bear.
For me?
Yeah, you're gonna love me for this. So we have, everybody's like, what is that? Harem pants. You just wait. I'm gonna get you in these tomorrow.
Okay. Well, I have to try hard.
She's not such a fan, but they're wonderful and we have a lot of customers that love them.
Yes.
We don't carry a lot of them, but these we love because of the cotton and again, like it's soft, it's light. And you can just, the band, the waistband, you can tuck over. I know.
We will see, lovelies.
We will see. So we did it in the plain black and then the stripe.
Fun,
so
eh?
fun. Yeah. So great. Yeah. Beautiful. Right?
Okay. Well.
Gorgeous. She's like, she's not convinced. We will convince her tomorrow. Absolutely. So we have a few more pieces. These are accessories that are going to go amazingly. Also, ladies, the drop that happened a few weeks ago from Boris, the big necklaces.
Oh yeah, the
gorgeous
big balls.
with these.
These?
I know, beautiful.
Oh my, that's right.
So we have.
These are so fun.
These are so fun. We carried these years ago.
Yeah.
And we had to carry them again because. So this is a slit scarf.
Right.
In polka dot.
Right.
Reverse it really, ladies.
You can make it like a shawl.
Make it like a shawl, a scarf. It's the perfect arm cover, especially over those dresses.
Or as a scarf.
Yeah.
Like,
just
like, very versatile, very.
And it's so soft, natural, breathable. So here is another one.
Tessa, I love the stripe with the polka dot and the stripe too.
Yeah, that's cute. Play with all the different textures and...
Is this navy or is it black?
Black.
Black,
I
yeah.
know, but
Beautiful,
amazing.
beautiful.
Yeah, over any outfit, really.
Oh yeah,
Like
your
gorgeous.
tank dress.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Lousje and me.
Yep, just shawl it over or cover your arms. Beautiful. So then we
I
also
love
got,
these.
yes, one more
fun.
accessory, ladies, from Boris. So exciting. Same fabric as the dresses. So again, that's going to be amazing mixing and matching.
Mixing and matching.
So very long. There's all these strands and it's sewn together here. But then you just take it and you keep
taking.
And then you can have a beautiful necklace.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Yeah.
So fun.
So fun. So black dress, polka dot wrap, polka dot necklace. I mean, it's really endless, but we got a whole bunch of colors because I think these pieces in your wardrobe will go miles.
Yeah.
This is Lousje's.
Beautiful red, for sure.
Screaming your name there.
Yeah, look at that. Oh my God,
I know.
look at that.
I know.
All the different fabrics and colors.
I know. So
This
here's
is
the
navy. Right.
And again, you can play with how many times you loop it. We'll show you a few different ways tomorrow.
Yeah.
Beautiful. A soft gray.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Nice gray over black.
Beautiful.
And then the stripe, the classic stripe.
Yeah.
Beautiful. I'm actually going to put it on right now.
You should.
And see.
Got a blank palette.
I do. So again, you just play with where you want it to go. I like it 3 or 4 times.
Yeah. Nice.
Beautiful, eh?
Yeah.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah, very pretty.
Yeah. So there you go, ladies.
Okay.
That is our unboxing from Boris.
So make sure you're watching tomorrow.
We're going to style it all up. All right, hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Please let us know if you have any questions. Just a note on sizing. The dresses are size extra small to XX, and the wraps are sized 3 sizes: extra small, small, medium, large, and then extra, extra large. Okay. All right.
All right. We'll see you tomorrow.
And as always,
keep on smiling.